Introducing the 2024 Skoda Karoq SEL 2.0 TDI with 115 horsepower in a sleek grey exterior. This estate Jeep boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, manual transmission, and a range of impressive features for optimal comfort, safety, and style. From air conditioning to automatic hazard lights, this vehicle has it all. With a Towbar preparation and chrome package, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Plus, with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. We ensure this vehicle has a full, multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit burnscarsales.ie for more information.